Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. Today we are going to learn about the exploring the caching with the NestJS. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Let me quit the Skype first. Okay. So caching is a great and the simple technique that helps improve your app performance. It acts as a temporary data store providing high performance data access. Okay, so for this one we are using the cache manager for exploring the cache with the Nest.js. Okay, so let's get started with the code level. So first of all we go with the cat module.ts. So here we go with the cat module with the ts. So here we have to go with our cat folder. Okay, then we have a cat module, right? So here you can see that nestjs cache manager you have to add, then cache module. In the import you have to add the cache module register and is global to be true. Okay, the first step in the whatever module you have which you have to make the cache. So you have to a particular module you have, then you have to do like this way. Okay, the cache module, nestjs cache manager, cache module register is global true. Okay, the rest of the things are the same. This is the first step. Second step, okay, so here we have import that one, then cat service.ts. So here we go with the cat service.ts. So let's go to the cat service.ts. This is the file. Okay. So here what we are doing, inject table and inject from the nestjs common. And here we are using the nestjs cache manager from the cache manager from this package and the cache from the cache manager. Okay. Then inject here in the constructor, right? Now, for getting the all the cats, right? So await this cache manager get string, that should be a string of arrays, that should be a cache cats, right? If cache data already is there, then return the cache datas. Okay, and here stimulating the fetching the cats from the database. So here we are making a array and cache that data, set all the cats in the fetched cat data and return that data. Okay, here you can see that. So to fetch all of this data for by the cache manager using the get, you can see cats putting over here. The key is cats. So whatever data is set in this cache manager, it will come over here using the dot get method. Okay, so it will return all the cache data, right? So let's see. So this is how you, whenever you have to set the cache data and get the cache data, you can use this phenomena. Okay, so let's go to the, here we go with this one. So let me go and check this one with the cache data. So here we, I think we have a cats. Okay, and get request is there. You can see British person's Siam say is loading. Whatever data is set in the cache, it is returned over here. You can see first it set the cache data, then it is returned over here. You can see that means this is how you are able to set the cache or use the cache into your system, right? Into your nest.js application. Okay, so anything I have missed? In the controller we have already used, that is the cat services we have already used, and the app module ts we have already used that one. Okay, so all rest of the process is the same because we have already get through in the previous videos. Okay, let me explain. After this cat service you have created, okay, this is cat services for the cache for the cats, and then we have a controller. Okay, so in the controller we have already the function get all cats and we are using the services get all cats. And after that, this is all in the module section. So this module is gonna be imported into your app.module.ts, that is the main module. Okay, there here, right? So this is how we are able to implement. If you want to implement the cache, then you can use that plugin. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.